These are the type of skirmishes that continue to happen in the national capital between the Congress and the BJP. The latest barb is where the BJP says if Rahul Gandhi is so interested in questioning on matters of defense, then come and attend a meeting of the standing committee. The BJP has questioned that Rahul Gandhi, being a member of the standing committee, Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence, has skipped 11 meetings so far in this latest session between 2019 and 2020. Gaurav Vallabh, leader of the Congress, as well as Vivek Reddy, leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, are now with us. Gaurav Vallabh, let's begin with you. This is undeniable. I went to the website myself of Lok Sabha and I saw that this is an undeniable fact that Rahul Gandhi has not attended a meeting. Why has he not attended the meeting? Is he not responsible to attend?
Sanket, the question which is important right now is that how much Chinese had entered into our country. Is it anything to do with Rahul Gandhi's attendance of meeting? My first question. Is Rahul Gandhi, if he is attending the meeting, can we say that the Chinese incursion is genuine, is acceptable? Can we say that if they are making bunkers, radars, helipads on our side of LAC in Galwan Valley, in Pangong Tso Lake, at Hot Springs, it is genuine? Are we going to accept because Rahul Gandhi ji had not attended the meeting? And the fourth point, Sanket, when the last meeting was convened on 12th of March 2020, and when these Chinese had started entering into Bharat Mata ki Bhumi, after 5th of May, the first incident was reported by various.
No, Gaurav Vallabh, one more. You've made your opening 4 questions. So, you've made your 4 points. I want to ask you, have the Chinese incursion not happened before this? See, the point over here is, I think what the BJP is trying to do is question the commitment of your leader. And it is a known fact that Rahul Gandhi goes missing in action, even politically.
Sanket, my question is that 2004 to 14, had you reported any time, because you are a very senior journalist, that 20 brave hearts had lost their lives because of Chinese incursion? Had you reported that? Post 1967, is there any incursion or losing the life of the brave soldiers? Is that reported? The incident happened today. If we are going to ask the question, you are saying that Rahul Gandhi had not attended the meeting. I am asking a counter question, Sanket, that in the year 2018, from 1st January to 31st December, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji had attended both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha only for 24 hours. Whereas Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha was convened for more than 600 hours.
Okay, so that's the nature of this sort of an argument, Vivek Reddy.
No,
that if the Congress is accusing the BJP of whataboutery. Essentially, the Congress has accused the BJP of whataboutery, that instead of answering their questions, you're digging out dirt, which is undeniable. This is a fact. He has not attended. We have debated this enough on his constant effort as a politician that has been put to debate. But does that answer the question that the Congress is asking?
Now, let's for a moment forget his performance as a politician. I don't think that's in perspective here. The question is, Sanket, unfortunately, Gaurav is not able to understand. The question here is one of credibility and the other of accountability. What is the function of the Defence Committee or the Parliament? It is to oversee the defence preparedness of the nation and also to raise questions from the opposition as to any issues that are there. Now the question is, when Mr. Rahul Gandhi wants to come and question the defence preparedness of the country or call in question certain issues with respect to the defence of this nation, why didn't he attend these meetings? I mean, it is so easy for Gaurav to deflect this question and simply say, look here, you have not done, you have done this, you have not done that. But the point is, Mr. Gaurav,
Mr. Reddy,
the question here is
that had Rahul Gandhi attended these 11 meetings, he would have been better informed about India's defence preparedness and thus would not have asked these questions. Because I don't think he's questioning defence preparedness. He's asking for information.
All questions on defence, for that matter, apart from preparedness.
No, he's asking
any question on
from the Galwan incident. That has
Correct.
nothing to do with his attendance.
Why don't you raise it? Why didn't he raise it in the meetings? Why
Because
didn't these
the
questions
incident
come up
only
at all?
happened on the 15th.
Number one. Second, Sanket, 1 second. Let us just test the credibility.
Yeah.
You know, Congress is so used to slipping away from accountability in this country. It is so used to giving lame excuses that it wants to escape from this situation by not answering why he didn't attend 11 meetings. It is very serious. What is the accountability of this man?
Okay, Gaurav Vallabh,
who
very
dreams
quickly.
about
I will
becoming a
give you-
prime
Gaurav,
minister
Vivek
of this
Reddy,
nation?
I think from
It is
what I've
very
understood
sad.
from Vivek Reddy,
And-
he is trying to question the credibility of your leader in being able to question. See, you can question when you stand non-stop. You show some commitment to the issue. I think what they're trying to show is that you don't have a commitment to this issue
Yes.
because you don't attend
You're a-
meetings.
You're a weather-like
I am
politician.
asking you-
Gaurav
Whenever the
Vallabh.
weather
I will
comes, you
answer
raise
Gaurav-
it.
Gaurav Vallabh, one by one.
Please. I don't want to have a tutu meme. I had raised a point. He is not aware when the last meeting of Defense Committee was convened. I gave the date 12th March. And this incident, the incursion by China, started from 5th of May. Post 5th of May, many times our leaders had requested the Prime Minister that convene the parliamentary committee meeting, start the parliament processing, convene the special session of parliament. You are talking about accountability. Are you really serious, Mr. Reddy? What do you understand about accountability? You had only one policy that is called
You
as
must ask
3D,
Mr. Rahul
divert,
Gandhi.
distract
What
and
do you understand?
disinform.
That
The
was the question
3D
he asked.
policy is not going to work. You have to answer the country, people of our
Mr. Rahul
country
Gandhi
that how dare
doesn't
China had
attend any
entered into
meeting.
our land.
What is
You
his
have to
accountability,
answer
sir?
that in what circumstances we had lost 20 brave hearts.
It is so
You have to
funny
answer
what you are
that why
asking.
on our side of Pangong so late 8 kilometers there are signage in Mandarin. You have to answer why there are permanent structures on our side of LAC, including radars and the
Now,
helipad.
all
And
this,
you are
let me
saying
tell you,
Rahul Gandhi had not
you
attended
guys-
the meeting. Are you not
you
shameful
guys
of
have
raising this
lost
question?
ascension
Are you mentally
of
ill
big chunk
when the
of
country
India
is fighting a
in the
battle with
1962
China?
war.
You
One
are
by
asking
one,
this
please.
type
One
of
by
question.
one. Vivek Reddy, I'm going to come to you. Don't worry. Let him ask his question.
Do you understand what kind of gravity we are in? China has entered into our country and you are saying Rahul Gandhi ji had not attended. I am asking in 2018, where was Narendra Modi ji when parliament sessions were there? Only 24 hours he had attended. Why he had not attended the parliament sessions? Why
Can I
he is
come in,
roaming
Sanket,
around the
please?
world, spending the taxpayers'
it's
money?
a repetition of the same
we
thing.
had
Okay,
incurred on
okay,
his
one
foreign-
moment. Vivek
44
Reddy.
on his
Vivek Reddy's
44
reply.
foreign trip.
Gaurav
Why he had
Vallabh, you've
incurred
asked your
500 crores?
questions.
The nation wants to know this.
Yes. Professor Vallabh, you've
Now-
asked your question. Vivek
now,
Reddy is right to reply.
It is
Final
very,
comment.
it is sort of a very, amusing situation that Gaurav is not able to catch the point that the BJP is making. And it is quite funny. Gaurav is going on a different tangent. And all that I'm trying to ask Gaurav is, I reiterate, look here, when a man does not attend any of the meetings, all that we are looking at is principles here. BJP is highlighting his principles. The principles are that if you're committed and steadfast to this country, you love this country, and you're contributing your time for this country, you're always there for this country, whether as a member of a defense
No, but
committee
Vivek Reddy,
or
see,
as
the
a
problem with
person in
this
the
argument
opposition.
is that Gaurav Vallabh will
Yes.
say that the Prime Minister also did not attend. See, it's a very,
Well, the
we
Prime
go round and
Minister
round in
is a
circles with
person.
arguments like this.
He has given the accountability through his ministers to this nation. The nation has re-elected him. What is your
Well,
accountability?
by that
sir?
logic,
Mr.
the Congress
Mr.
will
Rahul
turn around
Gandhi.
and say Rahul
What
Gandhi
is
is
your
also given the responsibility to his party men.
What
Party
responsibility?
men like
Is
Gaurav
this the
Vallabh.
way? He doesn't even attend one meeting. He doesn't know what the
I
defense
had
committee
asked a
is.
simple
What
question.
is his principles? The point here is the number of U-turns that he makes, the absence of principles in his politics, the contradictions that he arrives at.
Okay,
and
okay.
the
Here's
sheer
a
hypocrisy.
here's a question. No,
I
no,
think
no,
all
no.
this is
I don't
unanswered.
have time for a
Gaurav
very
is running away from all
protracted political debate. I just want to ask you if India and China can sit on the negotiating table and come to some sort of a de-escalation. Can we expect the same between the Congress and the BJP, a resolution in Parliament against China? I mean, two countries can
can I-
settle their issues,
Well, you
or at
have-
least
you have
attempt
the
to.
Congress.
Can
You
we
have the
domestically settle?
Congress.
Can I?
Sanket, you have the
Can I,
Congress
Sanket?
almost speaking the language of China.
Okay, Gaurav
Can
Vallabh.
I
So
say-
where do we have
can
the
I-
meeting point? It is
Gaurav
Gaurav who
Vallabh.
has to say that.
Sanket,
Gaurav Vallabh, very
who-
quickly, yeah.
Who is asking to convene a special session of parliament for last 2 months? It's Congress party. Who is again and again naming and shaming China? Prime Minister doesn't take the name of China. I don't know what is the fear in his mind. But Congress party is saying, name, shame this China, this coward China, this weak China, the
That's why
dhokebaz
you
China.
have
We are
meetings
naming.
with
And
China.
we,
Okay,
I'm
hard
ready,
stop.
I'm
Hard
telling
stop
you,
on this
who is
debate
asking
before
to
it
convene the
degenerates.
parliament?
Okay,
Congress party
Professor
is already
Vallabh
saying
and
that
Vivek
they convene the
Reddy,
special
let's just
session of
hope that
parliament.
there is a special session of parliament and then we can pass a resolution, political resolution, Congress and BJP together, because these are the sort of skirmishes that people do not like. It's very, very clear.